Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw a loot chest. Okay, so we're going to start with a simple sketch. So it's just going to be a box basically, but it's kind of a perspective box. And it's going to be a little stylized, right? And I draw that like that. I'm going to bring it in, bring it out, there's a loop for the top. I'm going to go across, that. There's the big middle part. You know where those are going to be. You know where that's going to be. In the middle for the lock. And I think we're about ready. So I'm going to switch over to my sharpies. I like to use a thick and a thin sharpie just to get different detail and line weight. That's going to determine what's in front and in the back. So let's go ahead and start with what's in the front, which is going to be the lock. Let's start with the lock right now. So I'm going to go basically a rectangle, but it's going to have a couple of edges to it. So we're going to soften those edges or cut off the edges of the rectangle. Then I'm going to finish it up and make the actual rectangle. Connect it like that. And draw the diamond for the middle part and extend it here for the bottom of the key. Go ahead and color that in. And I'm going to draw the other sides of the lock, which are going to come out like that. I'm going to go out, and across. Like that. And there's big bolts that are holding it together. Big bolt holding it together. Tiny. And pretty much the same thing with the bottom too. So we're going to go out like that, and in a little bit, out like that, in a little bit, and across. And same thing, draw the same kind of bolts. Big one there, little. And that's pretty much the front of it. There's a little bit more detail in it as far as making it 3D looking, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to get all the drawing down and color that in and make it look pretty with color. So this line is going to be the edge of our treasure chest. So I can go ahead and draw a line to there, draw a line to there. And that's going to be the braces that hold it together. So that's why I stopped at that spot. So now I'm going to do those braces, but I'm going to do just a hair underneath and bring it up like that. Then a hair past, bring it up like that. That's just to give it depth. That's on top of the wood, so it's going to be a little bit above it. So there's a line with the wood going across right here because it's made out of pieces of wood. So I'm just going to kind of draw up to where I would guess that line would be with the edges here, and then go same thing, straight edge here, and one more across, connect it, bring it down like that. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to guess where this line is and go up, like that, guess where that line is, like that, same thing, go across, and down. And that's going to be those steel brackets that are across it. Let's see, so let's draw the bolt holding it there, bolt holding it there, and there's some smaller ones right here. So we'll go ahead and put those in. And let's see, so let's go ahead and guess at where these bottom parts are going to be. This is pretty much in like this, and out. In and out. And we can go ahead and connect it. And we're going to do the same thing with this here. So it's going to go in just a little bit, then out. In just a little bit, out. Connect it. to be ready for the edges now. So like I told you, it's like pieces of wood that are all put together. So we're going to guess that this one is right here. The bottom is right there. This edge is going to go right here. And this one's going to come in. So let's go ahead and start connecting. So that's this piece of wood. And then this one has another one there. So we're going to connect that. Do that there. And then this one's going to be across and bring it in a little bit. We're going to bring it kind of down a little bit, then up. And then we're going to, let's go ahead and draw that line. We're going to draw the line going across there. Up a little bit like that. Up here. Like this. And a lot of that in the picture is the color, so that's why I didn't really want to draw a lot of these lines, because the color is what makes it. But we're gonna go ahead and put some stuff in just to give it that detail. I'm gonna use the finer Sharpie there, and then let's see, one more across like that, more across there. Come down to this one, and because it's beat up wood, it's got like notches in it. Connect that there. So now what we're going to do is make this 3D looking. So we're going to come out here, we're going to kind of do the same things, a parallel line to make it look like it's 3D. And there. This is going to come across there, and the other edge is going to go like that there. So that's that one, and then we're going to draw this one, which is that one there. So let's go ahead and finish this edge, because that's another piece of wood going across here. It looks like there's 3 pieces of wood here, so this one I'm going to guess is right there. Up and down. Then this one is smaller, so I'm only going to put it like right there. Same thing, with a light line across, that there. And then this one's kind of big, looks like but 2 of them. Like that, a small one there. That, and a small one here. That's the edge of that. So now we've got to draw these edges over here. There's a couple of handles and shackles here, so we're going to just kind of take some guesses of what it looks exactly like. So I see like a big square here. We're going to draw another one inside like that, and that makes it 3D. So this edge is the top half that flips open like that, and looks like that's where the handle is. So I'm going to draw a little line like that, and this, it looks like it's supposed to be I guess a circle, but it looks kind of choppy, so we're going to do a straight edge circle, an octagon basically, right? And then we're going to, or not connect it, but we're going to make it look 3D by drawing it again. And that's that. Now there's some kind of little thing down at the bottom. I guess it's like another ledge or a hinge that goes out, comes back in, and goes up. So now we're going to go ahead and draw the other edge of the back end of the crate, which looks a little like this. And I'm going to draw more across like that. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the sharp pen for this. More lines like this. Draw a little one there. This is basically the wood that holds it together like that. I'll go ahead and draw one more piece up here, like this. And so the last few things I need to do are a couple more bolts, think with the detail, I'm going to add the line right here. That's just like a Phillips head kind of thing. That's how they put it in. And I'll go ahead and put them in here too. And I think that's going to be it. And that's how I draw a loot chest. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.